Hello guys, welcome to Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the top method for earning cryptocurrency and start generating profits today. Watch this video all the way to the end to learn about this method. So if you are excited and ready to learn more about the top method for earning cryptocurrency and start generating profits today, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. This is the method you need to know about if you want to make money with cryptocurrency. If you want to make some extra cash, staking might be the perfect way to do it. Staking is the act of keeping cryptocurrency in order to get interest or other results. It's a common way to make money while you sleep, and if you do it right, it can be quite profitable. So you can stake cryptocurrency in a few different ways. The most common is to just keep it in a wallet that supports staking. Some wallets will stake your coins for you automatically, while others will make you do it yourself. Some exchanges let you stake, but it's not as common. How much money you can make from staking will depend on a few things. The amount of cryptocurrency you have to stake is the most important thing. The more money you have, the more you might be able to make. The other thing to think about is the rate of interest or rewards you get. Rates can vary a lot depending on the cryptocurrency you are staking and the platform you are using. There are a few things you should keep in mind if you want to start staking. First, you need to make sure you have enough cryptocurrency to stake. Second, you need to find a platform with good rewards or interest rates. And lastly, you must have patience. Staking is a great way to make money without doing too much work, but it won't make you rich overnight. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the top method for earning cryptocurrency and start generating profits today. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos as well on your screen right now. See you later.